Hello friends, I am Deepak Mohabia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we are already in April 2020 but there is no cure for coronavirus. Since beginning of this year, whole world is suffering from coronavirus. So in this video, Mutual Fund 2020, 5 things to consider before you buy any mutual fund in 2020. I am going to tell you what all are the different precautions you need to take while buying mutual fund in this year. So let's proceed. First thing, do not invest lump sum until there is vaccine for coronavirus. Currently market is at low level. Many experts are believing that market have been already touched the low, but it is the time to invest to make money. If the investment horizon is very long term, then it may not impact, but you need to remember that currently market is reacting based on the expectations. If government is coming up with some relief package, then market is reacting. If US is announcing something, then market is reacting. At the core, still there is no vaccine for the coronavirus. Till vaccine is not available, it is very difficult to call that low has been already reached. Every day corona positive cases are increasing. So best way for investment in this situation is to divide the money in 4 or 5 parts. Example, if you want to invest around 1 lakhs, then it is better to divide it into at least 4 parts of 25,000 each and then invest it in installment. So maybe you can have every 15 days you can put your one installment in mutual fund. So this will help in cost averaging and also for the long term it would be beneficial. Second, be careful while buying sector specific funds. Sector specific funds are those funds which invest in a particular sector. You may get different advice for the mutual fund investments. Some sees the current situation but some look at future aspects also. Some may suggest to go for steel sector funds or funds related to tourism sector. The main reason for someone would be to go with a particular sector is their assumption that okay, that particular sector has already beaten a lot. So if at this current level, if someone will invest in those funds, it is possible to make money. So maybe for some it may be good, but it is not the case. So you need to know that first thing, you should not fall in that trap. You need to have your own analysis before buying any sector specific mutual funds. If I can suggest you, then what I would suggest by looking the current scenario is the FMCG sector and the pharma sector. So in this two sector, it looks good to me because for this COVID-19 situation, this two sector will play important role. But while buying any sector specific fund, it is also important to know the list of the companies forming that mutual fund basket. So be careful when buying sector specific funds. Third, avoid mutual fund investment using borrowed money. Currently market is at low level and it may tempt many to go for borrowing and then invest whole money in a stock market or in a mutual fund. This time it is very much tempting. The reason being is market is already 20 to 30% down from their peak. There are stocks which are more than 60% down from their peak. It looks like that the return would be more to compensate the interest on borrowed money. It just look like, but please do not fall into this trap. Please look out and see the current situation. Till vaccine for coronavirus is not present, it is not good to assume that market is at low to make money. You may heard that Sensex and Nifty 50 are at a level which is very good for investment. I say yes, it is at a level wherein it is good for long-term investment, but not on borrowed money. Even if someone invest with the borrowed money, it may happen for few times they may get good profit, but it also causes behavioral change and in a long term definitely I would say it is a trap. So I will say avoid using borrowed money for buying mutual fund investment or in investing in stock market. Fourth, do not assume big return in short duration. So when market makes big moves, it becomes the discussion topic. Now it is happening that market is one day market is going high, another day it is going low. So newspapers, news channels, experts, if you talk to your friends, everyone, they talk about market because it is flooded with the market behavior. So someone suggests, okay, go for a particular stock buying, or maybe someone will say, okay, go for a mutual fund because mutual fund investment is a safe investment. When buying mutual fund, either due to some influence or with your own analysis, you always need to remember that equity market investment is for long duration. While mutual fund at this level too, do not assume that market is at low level, so mutual fund can give good return quickly. Yes, mutual fund will give good return, but it is not going to happen very soon. You need to understand that. Again, I'm saying that there is no vaccine at present for coronavirus and whole world is suffering with this. So avoid this thinking that market will give very good return in very short duration. So if you have money which you can put for long duration, then only I would say invest. And as of now, currently people are busy in discussing the economic impacts, but there are some other issues also which is relevant to coronavirus. So to me, even after vaccine for the coronavirus will be available, there will be whole lot of other things that will come up, and then market will behave accordingly, like mental health of people, unemployment problem due to country first policy. So as soon as this virus situation will go over, then after every country will think about their people, country will think about their economy, then recovery time to different sector, interrelationship among different countries. So again, once this coronavirus will go, then after this relationship between different countries is going to be a thing which is really going to impact stock market. Countries future course of action to revive the economy, and also after the relief package currently government is distributing, but after that they need to take action to run the economy. So they may come up with some or other measures. So here again market is at low level, but you need to remember that it is not in a situation wherein it is possible to make big quick money. And then fifth, first know the difference between active funds and passive funds and then invest. So if you are the first time investor to mutual funds or you are already investing in mutual funds, it is important to know the difference between the active funds and the passive funds. In the current context, when market is at low level, you should know the mutual fund investment strategy. Active funds are those on which fund manager plays critical role to decide the different instruments in fund portfolio, whereas passive funds are those funds in which fund manager have little to do. Currently market is reacting based on the expectation, so for the fund manager too it is not easy to pick the right instruments. Index funds are passive funds and track the indexes. If I would say to start SIP in direct index fund. If the idea is to have SIP for rupees 10,000 per month, then I would say start the SIP, fine, whatever is your budget. So start SIP, fine, but for next 1 year put extra. If you are investing, if your SIP is for 10,000, so every month extra 10,000 you invest in the same fund. I would say it will be really advantageous and you will get good money when you will get return in maybe 2 years, 3 years down the line. So now summary, even though market is at good level for the investment, there are certain rules that needs to be followed. Just looking at the current level to decide on investment is not going to be the deciding factor. Till vaccine for coronavirus is not available, market can move to either direction. Mutual fund investment is right decision to avoid different risks. However, mutual fund investment should be for at least 2 years or till your target is achieved. So I would say since market is 20 to 30% down from its peak, so in next 2 years 3 years down the line it is possible to achieve the same position, so that I can say 30% return is possible in 2 3 years. You have to keep in mind that return only, because currently you know the return from fixed deposit. So all the small saving schemes, instruments, returns, interest are too low at the moment. So it is good to put your extra money in mutual fund for good return. So that's it in this video, friends. So if you will subscribe my channel and if you'll put notification on, so anytime when I will upload new videos, it will come to you as notification, and then you can enjoy with my video. Please do share my video to your friends so that they can also get benefit out of it. Thank you for watching my video.